Well, welcome to Donington Park. We're here with the class of 2023. This video is going to basically skip episode 14, I think, of the Day in the Life, but we thought this would be a bit more exciting for you. So we're here at the press and testing day for the Porsche Club Championship. As you've seen on previous videos, we've got 4 cars in the championship this year, and the drivers you've met before, but we'll do a little bit of interview throughout the day to introduce you to them all again. So enjoy the video. Go straight into it.
Yeah.
Go straight into it.
Into what?
Into
this. Oh, right.
First test day.
Hello.
Next weekend. Hi, I'm Trevor Wall.
Oh, Trevor Wall, Brian Richards. Nice to meet you. Oh, bless. I've seen you before. We're having a good day so far, fingers crossed.
4 cars.
A few little teething problems, but nothing major, and everything going kind of well. Apart from the fact it's raining, but it is Donington.
And we do look the part.
And we do look the part,
Yeah.
if nothing else.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And Kester, the other side of that, doing his normal
Testing things.
Kester stuff. Yeah, so that's kind of working all right. But yeah.
And now the rain's coming down.
And now the rain.
Yeah. Pouring down now. Yeah. Anyway,
Going well.
come on, slicks.
Absolutely. Yeah. No grip required. Yeah.
Right, let's go and see who else is doing it round now. It's Andy. Andy.
Yeah.
Andy, how's your day been?
It's really good so far, mate. I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it.
Car okay?
Yeah. We've just done about 60 miles, going
Yeah.
the way around. Short shifting,
Yeah.
looking after the engine,
Yeah.
and yeah, she feels nice.
We've got another test day next Friday for the first race.
Yeah, we have, and I want to go out and do another sort of 40 minutes or whatever,
Yeah.
and just loosen her up, yeah.
And
Stead the engine in, but no, she feels nice.
yeah. Looking good.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Yeah. With the white suits, we can't put any weight on, can we? So keep us all slim. Keep us all slim. I like it.
Good. Let's go and have a chat with Harry. Harry.
Oh, hello.
How's your day been? Yeah, having a good.
Yeah,
Good.
you're right until now.
Good.
Obviously, but yes, so far so good. Yeah.
Good. Looking forward to next week.
Well, actually, of the year, so it's a big one.
Yeah.
But I'm excited for it. Yeah.
Oh, it's going to be amazing.
See.
You're very smart.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Whole crew looking the same.
Yeah. Car's running well.
Yeah. It's smooth today. So.
All right. Well, we look forward to seeing you next week.
Yeah, cool, perfect.
Okay. Well.
Thank you.
Great, so I'm here with Terry, Harry Rice's dad. Terry, we were talking earlier, my son's a pro footballer, and I guess me and my wife have spent probably the best part of, I don't know, years, if you add it all up. All the evenings, all the travelling on the weekend, to kind of get them to live their dream. And Harry's here now, he's racing bus this season, which is lovely. It's been a long journey, isn't it? And it's still keep going.
It is, still going. I mean,
all the time.
he first started really when he was 8 years old. It was just normal sort of like corporate karting, sort of Daytona, Sandown Park. And then we went on further, went to Thruxton, got his arts licence.
Yeah.
And then from then on, we was out every weekend, sort of like racing. Forest Edge, Clayton Gin,
Yeah.
PFI, Wilt Mill. We was sort of everywhere. And then obviously got bigger. We got older, wanted to expand, and then we was lucky because we was going to take a year out of karting because obviously big growth spurt at the time. So we entered the Junior Slough Car Championship. We just thought, get him a bit of car, and he actually won it in 2019, and that's where we've been ever since. So he's always been doing front-wheel drive, but obviously now he wants to progress into rear-wheel drive, and that's where we've met you guys, and hopefully this is
here this year. It's going to be really good, and I think obviously he's got Warren and Andy Toon that are kind of been around for a bit, so they can obviously help him with advice and all that kind of good stuff, and then hopefully he'll progress through the classes, and who knows where he'll go.
That's what he's hoping. So we're here to support him every step of the way as well.
We'll get you on camera as much as possible.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Right, so we're here at Warren. Warren, car was finished about 5 o'clock yesterday, wasn't it? Engine gone in. Basically, you spent the last 2.5 hours getting the getting the car set
pointed in the straight
right direction. So how was it? You just been out for what, 10, 15 laps?
Yeah, it was well, it was well worth waiting for. Considering we're still running the engine in.
Yep.
And the wheels, the geo's just there or thereabouts. It's just in a straight line. It's feeling really good. So, I mean,
what are we going to do to it now? Tell everybody what we're going to do to it before you go out again.
well, it depends what the weather's going to do. It's looking a bit grey over there, but I just want to give the car a little bit more front end. So we're just going to try simple. Now we've done all the big adjustments. It's just simple little bits now. So take the rear up a bit. See if that gives us a front end. What might happen is it'll give us a front end, but it'll lose us the tail end. So it's all about just fiddling about now.
And obviously we want that track to dry a bit before we get back out.
Actually, I'll tell you what, it's not too bad. It was just a little bit too bad.
A bit sketchy,
but they haven't pulled the fuse for the traction control, so I look like a hero anyway. The car's doing it. I told Jack he's going to pull it, just make sure he tells me, reminds me. He has pulled it.
Oh well, so we've got another test day next Friday, haven't we? Anyway, and got a bit of time this afternoon, and maybe some time in the week if we need it.
Yeah, that's what these days are for. It's a new car to me, as well as it's a new car for Rin. So we just got to put it through its paces, check if anything comes loose, tighten it back up. If nothing breaks, it's a successful day. So, even though we had a bit of drama this morning, but we found those difficult bits now and they're gone. So that's it. So that's what these days are for.
Brilliant.
All good.
Hey, it's my mate Harry. I've known Harry about 7 years. Harry's joining us as pit crew, head of pit crew actually. Have you been promoted in the last couple of hours?
Been the last hours.
This guy is just amazing with spanners. Right? He does everything about spanners, everything about cars, and we are so lucky to have him with us every race weekend this season.
Hopefully it'll be a good one.
Yeah, it will be. Will be.
Yeah.
And incoming. Camille.
Yes.
Camille.
Hello.
New member of the Rint team. He had a fight with a spanner earlier today. He's really good on spanners. No spanners really well. He had a fight with a spanner earlier today, and this is what he looks like now. Now, his wife, when he goes back tomorrow, I think he's going to go into a big fight.
Yeah, we need to
embellish that a little bit. It'll make a story, won't we?
make it oversized.
Well done, Camille. Well done. And last but not least, we've got Jack. Jack on spanners again.
Always on spanners, man.
Yeah, Jack.
How are we doing?
He's a regular to the Day in the Life programme, you would have seen him, but he's now pit crewing. He'll be pretty much here, I guess, pretty much every Saturday for these seven races.
I'll try and be here. I'll try and be here every Saturday. I'll try and.
What are we doing now, Jack, to this car?
So Warren's having a bit of understeer going into the corner, so we're just going to raise by one turn, hopefully give him a bit more control and power out of the corner. Sort of understeering or pushing away as he puts the power on, but no, we'll do that and send him back out and see how he feels.
Brilliant. All right, cheers, Jack.
No worries.
Okay, this season we've got a number of sponsors that we're working with. So we've got Group 4 Wheels, our wheel supplier, as you've seen before on previous videos. So they've got wheels on the Caymans this season. We've also got Nitron, again another supplier of ours. So Nitron are actually working with us on all of the cars and the suspension setup. And the other sponsor we've got is Outlaw Clothing. So they do cool things like these bands and t-shirts, and we've got a special Rint Racing t-shirt coming out in the next month or so that will be available on the Rint shop. So we're really lucky to have one of our sponsors here today, James Lee from Outlaw Gear. James, we met at a car meet.
We did.
About a month ago.
We did, and it was a great car meet.
Within a month, you've got stickers on the car. We're doing a bit of a collaboration on t-shirt, racing t-shirts and stuff like that.
Yeah, no, it's amazing. I mean, it shows you've got to get out there, you've got to meet with people.
Yeah.
I mean, we're busy creating our bits and pieces, and often the day turns into night, and it's just, you've got to get out there, and it's really nice to connect with like-minded, passionate people. You get come to wonderful days like this and see what it's really about. You get to smell and feel all of it. I love it.
As well, don't you? It was a no-brainer.
Absolutely. I mean, you cut me through, it's like a stick of rock.
Yeah.
Air cool's my sweet spot, but yeah, no, huge passion for them. I mean, I'm on my second air cooled now. It took me a long time to get back there, having had younger years of mishaps. Slightly bending them on the wet days because they do need to be respected.
This is why we're all in the garage, because it's raining and we're on slicks today and there's not enough wet tires to go round.
Yeah, no, I understand that. I mean, the slicks.
Yeah.
brave to be out there on a damn day like this.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about your company.
A little bit about our company. Okay, well, it's more a passion project. We come from a design background. We work with clients normally, but now we're doing things that we love. That means a lot to us. Creating things like, brace yourself, this looks great on a really ripped torso, and not too bad on my post-COVID torso. But if it looks this good here, imagine how good it would look on a, somebody in a little bit more shape. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, things like that. And we make our race-inspired bangles. Obviously, this is checkered flag. Checkered flag, obviously for winners. So I like to think so. And we've got things that are inspired by martini racing, golf racing. A little nod to our little counter on the Momo. So we're looking at creating all sorts of products that we would like, that we have. And we get asked for other car-related things, which is nice, but Porsche is where our heart is. So everything we create is going to be Porsche-focused.
Excited about the collab T-shirt that we're working on. I'm sure we'll work on some other stuff this year as well, which would be great. And if you haven't checked out their website, go and have a look at Outlaw Gear on the web, see all the stuff they do, and we'll be talking to the other sponsors over the next few episodes. Thanks, James Lee.
Yeah, nice to be here. Thank you.
So also this season we've got our charity on the car, which is St Giles Hospice. We'll be collecting money for them throughout the whole season and trying to get money from all of our competitors on the grid as well. Great, gents, you all had a good day?
Yeah.
Weather's stayed pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe get more lips in before we get laps in before we go.
Laps.
Lips and laps.
Laps,
That was that bar last night, wasn't it? I didn't go.
No, I wouldn't.
Right, good. Well, that's it for another day in the life, but not a day in the life. This is actually the class of 2023. We surpassed it this week, or supplanted it, I should say. But I'm off now because as I've appointed myself team principal,
All right, so
I'm going to learn from Christian Horner and all those top principals.
And do nothing, bugger off.
And just leave. And Kester's coming with me. See you later, guys.
See ya. Bye.
Bye. Ciao.